Okay, so naputol yung video ko. So, we have shape factors class. So, going to get the shape factors ng ating footing. Okay, so hindi na natin sinama yung SC kasi nga yung cohesion natin 0. So, useless lang na kunin natin yung factor para sa cohesion kung mag-0 lang din, di ba? So, we're going to substitute. This is equal to 1 plus, ano yung bagong width natin? Yung bagong width natin, ang shape natin ay 2 by 2.3 kaso naging 1.9 by 2 na siya. So, ang bagong width natin ay 1.9 na. So, over 2 times tan of, ano yung tan natin? Ano yung phi natin, class? It is 25. And then, dito naman, 1 minus 0.4, 1.9 over 2. Okay, so ang SQ natin ay it is 1.44 and ang S gamma natin 1.9 over 2 times 0.4, 1 minus answer. It is S gamma is 0.62. So, shape factors class, inadapt natin yung bago nating width and length kasi yung shape factors, it affects the distribution of the load. So, distribution of the load, kaya tayo nagkaroon ng effective area. Diba? Kaya, bago yung ating width and length. And then, we have our depth factors. So, ang depth factors natin, according sa formula ay, ano ang depth factors according to formula? It's not S, it's dq is equal to 1 plus 2k tan phi 1 minus sin phi squared. Tapos, ang d gamma ay 1. Okay. At ang k daw ay, ano, this is df over width. Okay. So, ano yung width natin? Ang width natin ay 2 by 2.3. It is 2. So, depth is what? Anong depth? 1.5 over 2. This is 0.75. So, 0.75 is less than 1. If df over b is greater than 1, use 1. Diba? So, this is equal to 1 plus 2 times 0.75 tan 25, 1 minus sin 25 squared. Ang dq ay 2 times 0.75 2 times 0.75 by tan 25 by 1 minus sin 25 squared 1 plus answer 1.23. Okay, plus 3 kasi unending yung 3 niya. Okay, so 1.233. Tapos ano pa? Depth factors, we have what else? Ano pang meron dun? We have inclination, load inclination. Inclined ba yung load natin? Hindi. So, huwag na natin kunin. Base inclination, inclined ba yung base natin? Hindi. Ground inclination is our ground inclined? No. So, since all inclination factors ay since walang inclined class, all inclination factors are 1. Okay? So, since walang inclined na load, base, or ground class, it is not inclined. So, all inclination factors are 1. So, I think we're ready to substitute. QU is equal to 0 na natin yung first term. Q. Ano yung Q natin? We have our Q as 24. Ang hirap naman ito. Q. NQ. Oh my gosh. NQ is 10.7. NQ is 10.7. And then, shape factor. Ano ang shape factor natin sa Q? 1.44. Depth factor, tandaan ko, 1.233. Tama ba? Plus 0.5 gamma. Ano yung gamma natin? Gamma prime yun, di ba? Ano yung gamma natin doon? 9.19. We have gamma B and gamma. Ano yung bagong B natin? 1.9 gamma 0.5 gamma B and gamma. Ano yung N gamma? 10.9. Shape factor 0.62. Depth factor is 1. Tapos lahat na ng inclination factors 1, kaya multiply na lang natin siya ng 1 lahat. So ganyan na din yung magiging effect niya. So QU, so 24 times 10.7 times 1.44 times 1.233 is 455.95 plus 0.5 by 9.19 by 1.9 by 10.99 by 0.62 by 1 plus 10.77. Tama ba? 0.5 by 9.9 9.9 by 1.9 mali 10.99. Okay, so it is 59.487 or 49. Okay, so QU is equal to plus 455.95. It is 515.44 kPa. Ano ba yung hinahanap natin? What is required? So, what is required is okay, so I'm going to have a correction. So, yung L natin na 2.3 hindi na siya naging L prime kasi mas maliit na siya, naging B prime na siya. Okay? So, Q all. So, Q allowable. So, balik tayo dito. Ayun siya. So, Q all is equal to QU over Fs. So, Q allowable is equal to QU. Ano yung QU natin? 515.44 over Fs. Ano yung Fs natin? That is 3. So, 515 divide it by 3, it's 171.81 kPa. So, i-check natin yan. So, sige na nga, balik na nga tayo dito kasi mag-check pa tayo. So, Q allowable is equal to QU over Fs 515.44 over 3. This is 171.81 kPa. So, we are going to check class if our Qmax, yung posibleng magiging Qmax natin, ay pasok. Ibig sabihin, it is less than or at least equal to our Q allowable. Okay, so paano natin makukuha ang Qmax? Binigay ko yung formula sa inyo. That is, Qmax is equal to Q. Hindi. Binigay ko BL 1 plus 6E over L. Okay, so, substitute natin class. Qmax natin. P natin is 450. Yung totoong shape na to, 2 by 2.3. 1 plus 6 by eccentricity, 0.2 over 2.3. I-check muna natin kung pasok yung eccentricity natin sa B over 6. Eccentricity natin is 0.2. At ang B over 6 natin ay, B natin is 2.3. Yung actual na divide it by 6, 0.38. So, E is less than B over 6, within middle third siya. So, tama, sakto lang, good tayo. And then, proceed na tayo dito. So, 450 by 2 by 2.3, 1 plus 65.2 over 2.3. Answer, 148.87 kPa. This is our Q max. So, ano siya? The allowable bearing capacity, Q allowable is equal to 170 ba? 171.81 kPa. And ang Q max natin ay 148.87 kPa. So, pasok siya. Q allowable is greater than our Q max. Check. Ibig sabihin yan, sakto lang yung shape natin. Diba? The allowable bearing capacity of the foundation is 171.81 kPa. Sakto lang siya, class. What if hindi nangyari yan? What if our Q max pala dito ay naging 180 kPa? Ibig sabihin yan, we are going to adjust the shape. So, if we are going to adjust the shape, babalikan natin, and we are going to recompute it. Pero dito, hindi. So, pasok siya. Ibig sabihin, safe yung ating foundation. So, bakit pala natin chine-check ang bearing capacity, class? So, this is to avoid catastrophic failure. Kasi nga, on our performance requirements, we have geotechnical strength requirements that our foundation should not fail catastrophically. Yung catastrophic failure nun is the bearing capacity failure. Ibig sabihin ng bearing capacity failure, hindi kaya nung soil na buhatin yung ating foundation. So, dito, sapat yung area ng foundation natin, class, para hindi magkaroon ng ganong klaseng failure. Okay?